Hello parents, we have come to the end of the program, which is KidsCan program with Scratch, and it's been a wonderful one. The children have had fun creating fun games, creating stories, creating cartoon, creating music. It's been wonderful, and I really appreciate you parents, and I really appreciate you children for staying tuned with me, for subscribing to my channel, and for learning how to use the computer. So as we're about to round up today, let us know that it is not the end of using Scratch. It's not the end of knowing how to use the computer. I want you to, from what we have taught you, to be able to go far as making your own game. You always play game. You can try to replicate that game you are playing in Scratch. I will teach you also how to look at people's work, creative work, and try to do it by yourself. You will learn it in this video. And I will also love to hear from you. I'll be giving you my LinkedIn contacts and my Twitter contacts so that if you have any question, you can be able to reach out to me. And we have our children in the house. So children, say hi.
Hi.
Hi parents.
Hi parents.
Hi children.
Hi children.
Now children, I'd like to know what you have learned in this program so far. So starting with Stephen.
I learned how to make games, music, and animations.
That's very good. Let's clap for him. Yes, Obichukwu.
I learned how to make cartoons, music, and games.
Very good. Let's clap for him. Chidebere.
I've learned how to make games, cartoons, and music.
Let's clap for him. Ifeoma.
I learned how to make games, music, and cartoons.
Very good. Let's clap for her. So you see, the children have learned a lot, and we are glad. So let's move on to what we have today. Some other things in order to keep us going after the end of this program. So now, as usual, we take our mouse and click on and hover it around the web browser. Click on our web browser in order to launch a tab, and we type at the Scratch website, which is scratch.mit.edu. scratch.mit.edu. So this is it. Then parents, remember, before your children start, you have to sign in. Very important, so I can be able to save your project. So as you sign in, now I want to show you some things. Let me click on create. So as it's launching on create, it's loading. Then you see this, my name. That's where you see your own name, and here is the folder, my own folder, where I save projects. So when I click on that folder, it opens. You can see all the fun stuff the children have been able to do. You can see Obichukwu, you can see Ifeoma, you can see Chidebere, you can see Stephen, you can see Chinelo, the one I created. You can see a lot of things we were able to do, our projects. And you can see where they wrote the shared, we have shared 15 projects already, and we have not shared, we have done a total of 68 projects. So this is my folder. So you can also see that in your folder. And when we go back to create, I want to show you another way your children can continue learning after this program. So you see here, I'm hovering around here, you can see tutorial. You click on tutorial, parents. and your children can be able to learn these whole lessons thanks to Scratch. Scratch has given us tutorials to be able to make our children learn fun things. Now, let's say you want to learn about how to animate your name. This is it. You click on play and it will start playing.
You can use Scratch to animate a name and bring it to life.
You will watch it.
The letters change color.
As it's going, you can pause it if you want to see something.
Or
You can make it play. You can click anywhere to pause
We'll
it.
pick a background.
Now, it's taking a background.
We'll pick our first letter.
You can pause it and take a background, and you can allow it to play. The children can do it. The children can look at this tutorial and learn, and parents, you can guide them. Now,
Play a sound.
they're about to click a command. They click a command. You can pause it and go get your own command. This is how to use the tutorial. And if you want it to increase more than this, when you are playing it, you can see this place, full screen. You can click on full screen and it will show the command. You can copy it out, children. If you want to go back to the Scratch platform, you can click on escape on your keyboard, and it will go back to it the way it is. And when you are through with the tutorial, you can close it. So there are a lot of tutorials parents for children to learn. There are a lot of them. They have the one of animation, art, music, games, story. So parents, I want to hear from you what children have learned. I really want to see their projects also. And you can, after you remember to share you have to save your project. Remember, share your project, and by the time you share your project, people can be able to comment on your project. Now, when we go to the other side of the Scratch, you will see where inbox message. So if you share your project and your project is being commented, you click on message. You will see what people have sent. Like now, Obichukwu Bounce game have been favorited. Someone have loved it. Someone has commented on the project, and so I hope you can work on it. So you, from this inbox, and be able to get the message either people liked what you shared or not. And if you want to do something, probably you don't know how to go about it, you have to first click on Scratch, and you now say, I want to know how to do something. Probably you want to know how to do a game. You can just write game, click on game, and see what people are doing. Maybe a game you like this person's game. Maybe children, which game should we click on?
Soccer game.
Where is the soccer game?
The green.
Okay. Okay, now Steven likes the soccer game. Ifeoma likes it too. So okay, they all like it. So you can, if you want to make the game, you click the game. You click the game, and you see they say for you to play it, you see the instruction on how to play it. So you can see how to play it, and you say, I want to do something like this. Children, see how you go about it. You click on what they call remix. You click on what they call remix. When you click on remix, children, you leave it to load. When it loads, you see all the commands, all the fun commands you can be able to work with. You see all the fun commands you can be able to work with. So you can be able to look at these commands and create your own. You can look at these commands and create your own. You can see all the things they did. You can do them one after the other. So children, this is all for the Scratch tutorial. I want you people to just go ahead and do a lot of fun stuff. I have my LinkedIn contact name Chinelo Okafor. I'll be sending it to you. And I also have my Twitter account. So if you want to reach out to me, please reach out to me through this social platform, Twitter and LinkedIn. So now, children, it's time to say goodbye. So do you know the song? It's time to say goodbye. Oh yeah. And let's stand up. To say goodbye. When we hit your feet and you clap your hands, it's time to say
goodbye.
again. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. When you hit your feet and you clap your hands, it's time to say goodbye. So bye, parents, bye, children.